Hello everyone, my name is Basavaraju and welcome back to the channel. In today's Salesforce CRM tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a percentage field in Salesforce, where we actually use it, how actually it works, and some real-time business examples. If you are beginner for the Salesforce or you are working in a live project, this tutorial is very important to you. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we need to go with what is percentage field in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a percentage field is a custom field type used to store the percentage values like discount percentage, probability percentage. In real time, sometimes we want to store the GST tax percentage. So in that time, we will go with percentage field in Salesforce. Then how to create this field? So first we need one requirement. So that is, we will go with more, click on receipt. Currently we have one receipt object. In this receipt, I have multiple fields. Okay. I need one more field like GST. It should be in percentage. So then how to create that? Just click on setup gear icon, go to edit objects, go to fields and relationship, just click on new custom field. Data type, you need to select percentage. Scroll below, there is a percentage, select that. So there is a description like allows user to enter a percentage number, for example 10, and it automatically adds the percentage sign in the number. Just click on next. We need to give the field label. I will give it as GST. Okay. Then you can also mention the length of the number. Then scroll below. There is a default value. Sometimes we need to show the default value. For example, if user doesn't enter any value, it will automatically set as some default value. What you enter on this? I will enter like 18%. Okay. Click on next. Make it visible. Click on next. Click on save. So our percentage field is created successfully. We can see GST percentage. Okay. Then go to page layout, arrange this field in proper way. Click on quick save. Once you saved, go back to your receipt objects. Click on main objects. Try to refresh once. So just try to click on new. So in here, our GST field is present. Automatically by default it will set 18%. You can also delete that one, mention anything. So you just click on outside, it will automatically percentage symbol is coming. Try to create new records. Just click on new. Customer name is Puneet. I will select one account. So by default GST amount is 18%. If you don't want that default value, you can set by default. So automatically percentage is coming. I will fill all the records. Then click on save. Once it's saved, it's look like this. So this is how to create percentage field in Salesforce CRM by step. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.